How to fix Prizepicks location. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with your location on Prizepicks, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, you need to grab your phone and then head over to your settings. Once you're in the settings, we will use the search bar, and from here you need to go ahead and type location services. Once you find it, you need to simply tap on it to open. Now that you are here, you need to ensure that location services is toggled on. You need to simply go ahead and tap on it to toggle that on. Next, you need to scroll down and find the app that you want to adjust. In case you are looking for Prizepicks, if you don't see it right away, you can also check for other app here. I'll show you for other app like Facebook, but you need to go ahead and tap Prizepicks for that. And from here, you need to simply go ahead and tap on allow the location access while using the app. And that's it. You are now able to use Prizepicks without any location issues. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.